Cranberry shortbread cookies are a simple, buttery, sweet treat that's perfect for Christmas or any cookie exchange. Okay. The ingredients you're going to need are dried cranberries, vanilla extract, salt, sea salt flakes, unsalted butter, white chocolate baking chips, powdered sugar, and all-purpose flour. Okay, I have my butter, my 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks or 16 tablespoons. And I have powdered sugar. We're going to cream those together. That's going to take a few minutes. Now my butter's at room temperature, which means it's sat out for a while, so it'll be softened. Don't try this with cold butter because it's just not going to work. So we want it smooth. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, now we're going to add the vanilla. Mix that a few more minutes. Let's add a little bit of flour first. Okay, now I'm going to add the salt and let that keep working. I'm done with the stand mixer, and now I'm going to add in my chocolate and my dried cranberries. So I'm using Lily's because it has no sugar added. I've measured it out, and I've even chopped some of them. So I'm adding these. And here's our cranberries, which I've also chopped into smaller pieces. The white baking chips are optional. You don't have to add them. As a matter of fact, the first time I made them, I did not add them, and they were still delicious. So see, you want the cranberries to be in pieces so you can get them spread out. Okay, our next step is we're going to take plastic wrap. And we're going to put the dough in there. Turn it out. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And then we'll be back. So now we have to wait. After 30 minutes in the fridge, I'm now going to slice them, put them in the pan, and then they're going to go in the oven. So it says about 1/4 of an inch thick. And they're not going to spread, so you don't need to worry about that. You can reshape them.
How'd you do that? How'd you do that?
Do what?
They all exactly fit.
Got lucky. I didn't know they were all going to fit. The first batch I made was only half. Okay, going in 12 to 15 minutes. Let's make it 13. And now we wait. Ooh, don't they look colorful? Okay, and this is where I'm going to add the salt. Then we're going to let them cool on the rack. Factor, not so strong. Sweet and salty, I love it. They're more like ovals than rounds. Well, it's cranberry shortbread cookies.
It sure is. There's some tasty little treats here. We've done some interesting things with this recipe that make it stand out. Bridgetta added some little mini chocolate chips to it.
White chocolate chips.
Right, which I think will be...
And the salt on top.
Right, and that's Maldon sea salt. So different from regular iodized salt. This is a flaky salt, finishing salt, which is really great for baked goods. And
I didn't
a lot of
realize
things.
there were so many different salts. I think there's around 12 at least.
I'm the salt king.
You're the salt king.
And of course, one of my favorites, cranberries. Like them in salad and almost anything. They spice it up.
Yep.
So let's give it a try.
All right, let's do it. I'll take this one right here. Now it is a shortbread. Our shortbread cookies are more crumbly, so
Delicious.
really good. It turned out really good.
I like the chocolate. Yum.
Right. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to any new subscribers, and welcome back to anybody who's been here before. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Good job, Bridgetta.
Somebody's screaming into trouble.
Very nice.